Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Exploring File Traversal Functions in Python, Java Style. Introduction. Python is a versatile programming language known for its simplicity and readability. When it comes to file manipulation, Python provides an extensive standard library that includes several file traversal functions. If you're coming from a Java background and are looking for file traversal functions in Python that resemble Java's, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we will explore Python's file traversal functions and provide code examples to help you get started. Table of contents. Opening and closing files. File traversal in Python. Java-style file traversal in Python. Code example. Opening and closing files. Before we dive into file traversal, let's understand how to open and close files in Python. Python uses the open function to open a file and the close method to close it. In this example, we use os.scandir to obtain directory entries and check whether each entry is a file or a directory. You can replace /path/ to /your/ directory with the path to the directory you want to traverse. Conclusion. Python provides robust file traversal capabilities, and you can achieve Java-style file traversal using the OS module and the with statement for file handling. With the code example provided, you can easily list files and directories in a directory of your choice. Python's simplicity and readability make it a great choice for file manipulation tasks, whether you're coming from a Java background or not. ChatGPT.